Good evening, guys. This is Jinx. Welcome to my channel. Today we are looking at average true range. This is mainly helpful to calculate your stop loss. It is helpful to calculate whether you have to enter a trade or exit a trade. When you have to take profit, it's mainly an indicator which shows market volatility. So I am a beginner trader, so I didn't know how to set up a loss. So what I did was I went to Finviz and I looked up a stock which is very volatile and it is moving upward. And I just saw some foreign exchange stock like Japanese yen or something. And I am still learning for Forex, and I just entered a trade without properly reading the chart. And I just thought, like, let's say this is the point. What is it, 15 minutes? Let's go for a longer period of time. Let's go for a month. So basically, this is a upward going map. And like if you go for, and let's say the lowest point here is $12, and let's go to like 15 minutes or a minute chart. So what does it say? So I never thought it'll go below this point, and I set a stop loss way below, and I went to sleep, and my account had $1,500, and I'm left is with this money. It did go really low that day, and I incurred a very big loss. So this particular what do you call, let's go to trader view. So this particular average true range is used to calculate where to set your stop loss. And this is a trader view. So let's go to the indicator and set up ATR, which is average true range, and I've picked up the first one. So basically, let's say this is $2 and it's gone up to $3, and it's come if it's a day candle, which is a day candle, and let's say the stock closes at $2, then it's gone up to $3, and then it's come down. So as it goes, let's say $2, $3, $4, $5, or let's say $2, $4, $1. So the difference between two to it's gone up. So it is like, let's say if it is $2 and it's gone up to $4, so the difference between those two is $2. And you do that for each and every day, how much it has changed. And then you do it for 14 days and you divide it by 14. You're basically calculating the difference in the movement divided by number of days. And that gives you average true range. All you don't have to worry much. You need to go to indicator and put the ATR, and you get this chart. And you can see, like, when people ask you what's the ATR, this is what they're talking about. This indicates the volatility and helps you set stop loss. Let's say the ATR is $2. That means the stock can fluctuate $2. But if the stock is already $1.70, should you enter the trade, because the max it can go is $2. So it's too late. I wouldn't enter the trade. But let's say it's $1.2 and it can go up to $2. So I would enter the trade. And stop loss is calculated by average true range into 1.5. How did I get this information? I basically asked ChatGPT about this. Let's go here. Let me show you what I found in ChatGPT. So the average true range is a measure of volatility over a specific period, which is usually 7 days. And then, so the true range is the difference between the highest and the lowest for each day. And then you divide that by 14. So this is they just want to give a fancy formula. It's the same thing, but they're just telling it in a fancier way. And how do we use this to measure volatility in the market? So higher ATR means highly volatile, lower ATR means stable. And setting a stop loss, that's what I told you, a 1.5 into the ATR. And if there is sudden increase in the ATR, that means the market has become kind of volatile. That's what ChatGPT told me. So this formula is really like it could have saved me a lot of money if I would have applied this and not assume that market would go really down and just put a stop loss way below and incur a loss. This formula would have saved me a lot of money, but I did not do it. My bad. Learn from my mistakes, guys. So yeah, I'm looking at Nvidia. So what is my ATR as of this date? So the ATR is like when you go across 6 point, so let's go 6.83. So it gives you it's not the actual price. It says the stocks can go up or down $6.83. So you know not to set up a profit like way high than the current price, and don't set a loss way below. You can calculate 6.83 into 1.5 and basically determine what you need to do. So I hope this tutorial and my life explanation was useful to you. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.